Are you looking to become more frugal and adopt a lifestyle that helps you save money and live more intentionally? If so, this video is just for you. Today, we'll be diving into the beginner's guide to frugal living, packed with great tips and strategies. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you've just discovered a space where we dive deep into the fascinating realms of minimalism, frugal living, affirmations, and so much more. If these topics captivate you and you find value in the content, please show your support by liking this video and taking a moment to subscribe. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who are interested in these life-enhancing topics. Let's first talk about what frugal living truly means. It's not about being cheap or stingy. It's about being intentional and resourceful with the money you have. It's about focusing your spending on what truly matters and living a life free from financial stress. Frugality is all about maximizing the effectiveness of each dollar you spend. The actual definition of frugal is being sparing or economical with regards to money or food. This doesn't mean living like an extreme cheapskate, which is a different lifestyle altogether. There's even a show on TLC about people who go to extreme lengths to save money. Frugality is about intentionally managing your money, not depriving yourself of joy. Pace yourself. If you're just starting on the path to becoming frugal or want to improve your frugality game, the first step is to pace yourself. Don't jump in 100% immediately, as this can lead to burnout and failure. Frugal living is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works best for you. You might see others adopting frugality faster, but don't let that discourage you. Move at your own pace and make changes that you're comfortable with. This way, you'll be more likely to stick with it long-term. Know your goals. Knowing your goals is crucial. Frugality isn't just about saving every penny. It's about understanding where those pennies go and how they impact your long-term financial health. Set clear, achievable goals, whether they're big or small. Knowing what you're working towards can make saving and frugal living more meaningful and motivating. Make sure your goals are realistic and exciting, giving you something to look forward to. Get everyone on the same page. If you have a spouse, significant other, or family, it's important to get them on the same page. They don't need to adopt the same level of frugality, but understanding and supporting your goals can make a huge difference. Communication is key. Explain why you're making these changes and how it benefits everyone in the long run. Compromise when needed and make sure everyone feels involved and respected. Find like-minded people. Surround yourself with like-minded people or communities. This can be incredibly encouraging and supportive. Whether it's online forums, Facebook groups, or YouTube channels, connecting with others who share your frugal values can provide motivation and tips. These communities can offer advice, share experiences, and help you stay committed to your goals. Give things up selectively. When adopting a frugal lifestyle, you don't have to give up everything at once. Start by making selective sacrifices. For example, my husband and I put travel on hold temporarily to focus on other financial goals. Return to it later when we were in a better position. This approach allows you to prioritize your goals without feeling deprived. You can also make small changes, like reducing how often you buy coffee instead of giving it up entirely. Know your numbers. Understanding your finances is vital. You don't need to track every penny, but having a good grasp of your income, expenses, and spending habits can help you identify areas where you can save. Knowing your numbers allows you to make informed decisions and spot any financial leaks. If you're not a big fan of detailed budgeting, try a simpler method that works for you. Accept imperfection. Remember, no one is perfect. Frugal living will look different for everyone. Don't stress about following someone else's exact method. Focus on what works best for you and your lifestyle. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. The goal is progress, not perfection. If you slip up, just get back on track and keep moving forward. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself is an essential part of frugal living. Setting goals is great, but rewarding yourself for reaching them can keep you motivated. Whether it's saving up for a big purchase or treating yourself occasionally, rewards make the journey more enjoyable. Find a balance between saving and spending on things that bring you joy. Are you ready? Are you ready to start living a more frugal life and achieve financial independence? If so, I encourage you to watch the next video where I share my best personal frugal tips to help you get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.